Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Reja over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to increase maximum upload file size in WordPress. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So here, this is your WordPress dashboard. In the WordPress dashboard, we upload our media files by clicking on this media section in the left side and clicking on add new. So here we would upload our media by clicking on add new. We can upload media from our device to this WordPress media. So here uh, you can see that the maximum upload file size is 256 MB. What if your file size is 500 MB? How can you increase your maximum upload file size on WordPress? So for this we have two steps to be followed. Our step 1 is installing a plugin. So to install the plugin, go to the plugins in the left side column and click on add new plugin, and this would take you to this. And now search for a plugin called as Tuxedo. So here you can install this by clicking install now. So by using this plugin we can will be able to upload big files into the WordPress. So now it is been installed. Now click on activate. Now once this plugin is been activated, now go to the settings and click on media. Now you can see you're uploading files. So maximum upload size is we can give the limit of maximum upload file size. So I want to give it as 500 MB. So then you can click on save changes. So you can see that the settings have been saved. Now let's check whether our maximum upload size have been changed or not. So let's go to the media section and click on add new. Now here you can see that your maximum upload file size have been changed to 500 MB. So in this way you can change your maximum upload file size in order to upload larger files onto your media. So now if you couldn't change this maximum upload file size using this method, you can contact your hosting service providers to resolve the issue. And this is all for this video, guys. I hope you all guys found this video useful to you, and thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to PC Tips Pro and do hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of video uploads.